Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today we're going to be going over my So Susan Color Curate bag for the month of November. It is a beauty subscription that costs $20.95 a month, and you get 4 full-size items in a bag. It is vegan and cruelty-free. So this month's bag is In Everything Give Thanks, all in the theme with Thanksgiving. And that is also the theme of the month, and we always get a card with the product description listed on the back with the value of everything and the total cost of the value of the bag. The total value of the bag this month is $127.95, which is really good for only spending $20.95. So let's go ahead and see what's in here for this month. Okay, I have a Jelly Pong Cosmetics Supercharged Super Intensity Eyeshadow Duo. We got one of these last month. I think it was black and gold. Okay, these are 2 kinds of browns. Very pretty looking. I'm not going to swatch this because I do have a lot of similar colors like this. This would be something like that I would get put in a giveaway. So I'm just going to put that one to the side. Let's see how much that one was valued at. $22.95 for these eyeshadows. I'm going to do a couple different unboxings today because I'm trying to finish up all my November stuff before we hit December. Next is So Susan Cosmetics. It's a Luma Peach, I do believe, Silky Blush and Highlighter Palette. So this packaging is super cute. It's purple. It almost reminds me of summer though, not so much fall, or winter time, but it's really cute. I do love the purple. If I can get it out of here, I'll show it to you. I'm just having a little bit of trouble. Okay, and this is what the packaging looks like. And these are the colors inside. It looks like we have 2 different highlighters and 2 different blushes in here. Which I definitely will be keeping because I love highlighters and blushes. Wow. Super pigmented on the highlighter. Now the formula on this felt very silky going on. It's a little powdery, but it's not super powdery. It just felt like a satiny finish on them. This is the highlighter here, the first one I put. This is the other highlighter. To me looks like a blush highlighter. And then we have the 2 blushes at the top. Very nice looking palette. Super excited to use that one. So this one is actually valued at $45 for this palette. Then next up we have another item from So Susan Cosmetics, and it's a Gemstar Lip Topper. Interesting. And it's in the shade Adrenaline. So it's like little sparkles. That is so cute. Look at that. I'm really enjoying this So Susan Color Curate bag. This is my last month with them, however, but there's a good variety of stuff inside of their bags. It smells good, like fruity. And it's just like a gloss with a bunch of sparkles in it, but they're not grainy and rough on your skin. This is valued at $24. And next up, this I absolutely love. It is a brush by Jelly Pong. And not only is the design super cute, the bristles are rainbow bristles. How fun is that? I don't know anything like this. Anyways, the bristles feel pretty good on here. Just something that's super fun and cute, which I'm all about. So this one is valued at $24 for this brush. super cute. I can't wait to add this to my collection. I don't even know if I'll ever use it, but I definitely want to put it as a display for my other brushes. So that's everything I had in the color curate bag. I'm going to be posting some more videos of some other boxes that I have. I have a couple more I need to go through. Definitely get some more of those knocked out of the way. So that's everything that I had for you for this in particular video. Thanks so much for watching.